What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over a new opportunity called TextBot.Ai. You can earn multiple $100 commissions, but before I do that, if you're new to my channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know as I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. All right, guys, so here I'm about to get ready to log into my back office of TextBot.Ai. Earn multiple $100 commissions every single time you refer people to a phone number. Right here, this is my phone number. All right, you will get a phone number as well once you join this business. Now, what does the phone number do? A lot of y'all might have a question. Okay, so normally when it comes to making money online, the traditional way would be get people to a website. All right, get people to this capture page. We sell through email marketing. Okay, so now the email rate has really decreased. Okay, so now people are opening text messages more. What this system does is market through SMS messaging faster, and it's easier for them to understand what this system do. So once somebody texts or call, okay, this phone number right here, they will go through a sales funnel, but not the traditional sales funnel that you would think about. Okay, it will be a live conversation with the customer through there will be a live conversation on the phone, okay, explaining what this system is, how they can get paid, and instruct them to get started and pay you $100. So here in my back office, I haven't been a part of this system for 24 hours, and I already made $200 just by referring people to this phone number. It's selling, telling for you. You don't have to do anything once again, but give out your number. You like to get paid multiple $100 commissions just by giving out a telephone number. That's all you have to do. You get your own telephone number. Everybody don't have the same number. You will get your own telephone number where you can promote your number, make some flyer cards. That's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm finna get me some flyer cards, some drop cards, and I'm gonna share all of my strategies with you. But simply right now, all I did was drive some traffic, and I still have multiple who are talking about signing up today. So we're gonna see where today leads. But all I did was drove some traffic, okay, to my website. Now you also get a website. Okay, this is my website right here. And let me copy this. I'm gonna show you what the website look like. So when you share your website, all right, this is the website. There will be a video over here playing. I don't want to play it. Information will be below. You can text or call that number and you will be sent to this website right here. But even if you do your website, they will be instructed to put in once they click continue, they will have to put in their telephone number, and Ava, which is the AI bot, will close the sale through text message. All your main focus is driving traffic either to the website or giving out your telephone number, putting up postcards, flyers, people to see it. What I want you to do right now is to think about, what would you do? Okay, what would you do if you, your loved one, your wife and your kids, or you're just out and about and you see a sign that say, if you want to make $500 today, text or call this number. What do you think what do you think the first thing would you want to do first? Would you rather call or text? Most people would text. So once they text that number, see if it's real, okay, what she's going to do is send out, okay, real life text messages, okay, helping them to get started, sending them links and directing them. And you also can come over here to your settings, which I will be doing in a whole nother video, and create custom keywords just in case somebody, say more info. So you can create a message that you want her to send back, okay, with these keywords, different keywords, to make your bot more smarter. This is a whole nother video, but basically the main thing, guys, is you will be able to get paid $100 each time somebody goes through your phone call or your text funnel and get started with you, which most likely they will. Okay, this system is proven. Okay, this system is proven. It's making people thousands of dollars. And once again, I haven't been a part for 24 hours, already seeing some results way faster than most of some of the opportunities that I've got started with. Took me a couple days, a week to get paid, but this was less than 24 hours. So you need to, position yourself. One thing about online marketing, when there is a wave, okay, which means when there is a new opportunity that comes out, people are a part of, people are making money, you should jump in, get started, absorb some of the energy. Money is nothing but energy. So if you join with people who are making money, their strategies, guess what? You're going to make money. Now, we can't guarantee you anything, but we can guarantee you success based off your work ethic, how much you put into this, and actually take action. I will share with you the different strategies and methods I use to get this in 24 hours without having to actually do anything but letting my text bot do all of the work for me. And all I had to do was just give out the number. Someone texted, 2 people text the number, and they got started. And once again, all I did was drove some traffic, okay, to my website, and it instructed them to give them their number. They got the number. They text or called the number, and they went through that sales funnel, and they paid me $100 to be a part of this system. You also get pass ups. So if you bring in whoever you bring in, their second sale will come to you. This allows you to reach financial freedom faster because $100 off of each person that you bring in. So let's say you bring in Mike. Okay, you bring in Mike. He gives you $100. You help him get started. He make his sale. His second sale will be passed up to you. So that's $200 that you will generate just by bringing in one person. And we're going to show you the skills on how to generate commissions every single day, sharing this to a target audience that is already looking for a faster way to get paid in daily cash. Now, what I want to also talk about is how you get paid. A lot of people want to know, well, how do I get paid? It's a system that pay you through PayPal, Cash App, Google Pay, Bitcoin Wallet, Stripe. You can get paid however you want to get paid. All you have to do is set it up, and it goes directly to you. So if you want more information to this text bot system that will do all the selling and telling for you, all you have to do is give out a number, click the link below, or text or call the number that is below, and you will be instructed to get in your phone number and start making money. I will see you inside the system. Other than that, I'm out.